Our back to school headquarters is bringing you new state of the Oregon guidelines out today, with the COVID virus still infecting hundreds of people a day.
And while all schools will be back open for full-time in-person classes, there are some updates when it comes to masks and distancing. Our Lisa Balick is looking into this. She joins us live now from Southeast Portland with what you need to know. Lisa?
Well, at this point, it is still going to be up to each school district to decide what their COVID prevention policies are. But there is one place all across the state that school kids will definitely have to be wearing a mask. Take a look. It is school buses, and that's because there are federal rules governing this now that require face coverings for passengers and drivers on public transit, and that's what school buses are. But once at school, gone are the state requirements for masking. Although state and national health leaders and ODE strongly advise face coverings for students who are not vaccinated, like all those under age 12, as well as people who are unvaccinated, such as staff. Now, while there's supposed to be 3 feet distancing between students in school, there is some leeway now to use other strategies like face coverings when it's not possible. But most districts I checked in with today tell me they are leaving the mask, no mask choice, up to families.
We are still going to highly encourage families and children who are not vaccinated to wear face coverings. We do believe that that's the safest route. However, at the end of the day, we are most pleased that the choice really gets to come back to the family.
And that's what seems to be in most districts. However, there are some like Beaverton that are requiring students under age 12 in school buildings this summer for summer school to wear a mask, since again, they're unvaccinated. And they may continue to do that this fall. No decision made yet, as the district and others wait to see what happens with the Delta variant among unvaccinated children. Now, several other districts, including Portland, also say they are still working on their plans, but the sense that I found is that at least at high schools, masks will definitely be optional. Now, could these rules keep changing again before school starts? Absolutely. Once again, it depends on what the federal government decides in terms of regulations, also what happens with the variant, and things are not looking really good in that area. I'll have more on all this coming up today at 5. Live in Southeast Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.